scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the speed of a particle in parametric motion is simple. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. First, find velocity components by taking the derivative of position functions. The derivative of x is 2t minus 3t squared, and for y, it is just -6. Next, we plug in t equals 2 to find the specific rates. Our horizontal velocity becomes -8, while the vertical velocity stays constant at -6 for any value of time. Use the Pythagorean theorem for speed. Squaring -8 and -6 gives 64 and 36, totaling 100. The square root is 10. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given equations and check your steps.